Okay, hello dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So this is a voice-over video. This is a loser unboxing. I bought it. I think I have a special interest, kind of addiction with this kind of the cheapest, the least expensive lip balm. I like it because usually this kind of lip balm does not have a layer of paste, make your lip feels not comfortable. And these are just like chapstick, like a lip balm, no color, but with a little bit color in it. So I found this one. I see the package is good, and it has a feeling that this is gonna be good. It's gonna. I don't know. When I buy something, when I look at something, I always feel that just the packaging, just the first impression, the industrial designers, they know what is the way to convey their idea, whether this is going to be okay or not. Some packaging, when you see it, you just immediately not feeling right. So I opened it up and tried a little bit of the color on my hand. I feel it's good. I feel very good. So this is before. Oh, I need to take out my glasses to see myself. And I have very, very light eye makeup also. So this is before. Now I will put it on. Let's see how it goes. Does it look a little bit better? It feels so comfortable. Feels very, very comfortable. How do you like it? This is after. I love it. I love it. I love it. It feels so comfortable. Bye bye.